So we need 2 cups of fresh basil. Of course, clipping from your own herb garden is great. Otherwise, store-bought will do just fine. Give it a quick rinse under the sink, and then using a kitchen towel and paper towels, soak up any excess water. Now, if not using immediately, place in a mason jar with some water. Now we're ready to go. Get your food processor and pack 2 cups of basil leaves. To this, we're going to add 3 cloves of garlic that have been minced, and then 3 tablespoons of pine nuts. Now, add the top, securely fasten, and then pulse for about 30 seconds. Get a spatula, push down the sides, put the top back on, and pulse for about another 30 seconds. Get your spatula, push the sides down one more time, and now turn the motor on and slowly but surely add a half a cup of really good quality extra virgin olive oil. The smell is amazing. Turn the motor off, get a spoon, and just make sure everything is well incorporated. We're getting so close. Now, we're going to take a half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese and a half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Put the lid back on one more time and pulse until fully incorporated. Turn the motor off, and ladies and gentlemen, you have perfectly, beautifully made pesto sauce.
Hey everybody!
Hey, now if you like what you saw, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.
That's right, and to get more amazing recipes like this, just click right here.
Click, subscribe,
Do it all.
subscribe.
Just click and subscribe.